Someone asked me how I like my Delta faucet, so I thought I'd do a little demonstration. Here's me brushing my teeth, and the person asking the question wanted to know how much it splashes, so I'm just going to show you. Here's me washing my hands, getting some water from the sink, and yeah, it does. Like when you're using it, this is about 6 inches, 5 or 6 inches from the height of the countertop. So it's higher than our typical bathroom sink. Our other bathroom is about 3 inches up, and this one's 5 or 6 inches up. So because of that, the water does splash onto the countertop behind the faucet just a little bit more and onto the backsplash. It's not enough that there's like a puddle, here just kind of dribbles, but that is something about this faucet to be aware of. A workaround that we've learned is just to put your hands down into the bowl of the sink, same place you would with a lower faucet, just so that the water splashes down into the sink instead of all over the bathroom. So that's a little review about the Delta Nicoli faucet. It does splash a little bit all over the countertop when you use it if you have your hands up too high, because it's a really high faucet. But the thing I love about it is that there's plenty of room to move your hands around. There's plenty of room to, put a cup under there and fill it up with water, or a water bottle or something. So I actually like the distance, and I've just kind of learned to adapt by keeping my hands down lower. Or, I clean my countertop a little more often. I get a little washcloth or a towel and I wipe it down daily so it doesn't get water stained or anything like that. But that is my honest review of the Delta Nicoli faucet. About the splashing question. So I actually really do like this faucet. I love the way it looks. I love the way it functions. I'll just give you a little tour here so you can kind of see it from different angles. But the handles turn on and off well. You're able to really control the water flow. It doesn't even start flowing water until you're pretty far, which means that it doesn't drip at all. And it has a really, you can get a lot of control about how much water is coming out. And it definitely turns off all the way when you are done using the sink. So we really like it. I highly recommend it. It's just something to be aware of, that it does splash the countertop. And if you want to see a little bit, see those dribbles of water there. Like I said, it's not a puddle, but yes, it does get a little bit wet if you aren't careful when you're washing your hands, which, whose kids are careful? Anyway, so there you go.